put chains on that truck?
Oh yeah. There's chains. Ready to go.
Yeah, I heard it fire up. Where they control that siren from?
It's automatic.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Bell shut. Ah, you still up? You got power? Here's some place. Yeah, I know.
81 Engine 3's on the station.
I know, man.
Westmoreland County, can I have a TAC channel, please?
I know. That's what I did the snap already. I'm with Ricky right now. I left Chicks. I come over. I met Ricky up over the house and taking a little ride around. Half the power, half the lower end of town ain't got no power. Yeah, from First Street
Hey,
down.
where's Delrose?
Delrose is up by the city park here.
Engine 31 to
Yeah. They got a truck going out right now. They just got a call for somebody smelled gas in the house.
Engine 81 free en route with a group 5.
Alright, I'll see you in a little while then. Alright, bye.
You want to go crack that siren? Here goes the horn.
You got this window locked?
I got about 4 penny before I can get
There it
there.
goes.
And 4.
Here it goes. What truck's that? That's
Engine 3.
Engine 3. Is that new one?
No.
Oh.